Someone got pulled over. Oh, that's not good. Something's going on. So we are backing off. What? What was that about? I thought someone got pulled over. I don't know. That made everyone's heart drop. So I'm very confused right now. We have undercover police here in the United States, in every city. So I'm very confused. That could be a city worker taking advantage. They've had stories about that in the United States. Where these workers have these city cars and they take advantage. Speed control is really nice. What's going on with that? Car to the left in the left lane, I think that's the undercover police or someone taking advantage of their municipality, city working privileges. We'll find out in a moment. Sometimes it's a power struggle. I'm just trying to keep my space. There's a lot going on, so I'm looking left and right. So a lot of very powerful vehicles in the metro area, Chicago, Texas, Detroit. Detroit versus everyone. So this white truck is bullying that vehicle up there. So we're going to see what's going to happen. I'm just trying to keep my space. Can't like this, trying to get over. It's too tight. Can't breathe. I'm going to get over one lane, so you check. You have to be consistent if you're going to be making lane changes like that. Consistently, don't doubt yourself. I don't know if they can drive, can't drive. They're doing some weird stuff there. Really weird. I'm getting away from them. Can they not drive? Just don't know about these vehicles, man. So they're doing some weird stuff. So I'm gonna stay away from them. me off, they're going to set me up for failure. They cut them off. So I'm just going to lift my foot. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and go back over. And just take my time. A lot of lane changes. This is what you need to do to prepare for driving. Oof, don't like that sound. Could have been a tire blowout. It'd be terrible in this weather, but you have to deal with it. A lot of slow-moving traffic, which really holds up the flow. We have a service drive. We're going to be coming up to this unique turn at the moment. Come up and stop. I'm looking for blinkers. Looking for a gap. I'm really looking. There's my gap. That's how you pull into traffic. And you take your time. 3-second stop.